Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm so ready for fall. So today I wanted to show you how I make a pumpkin spice latte. It's a really rich, flavorful drink. It's so good. You don't have to go anywhere to buy one. You can make one for yourself right at home. I wanted to make something to go with it, so I made a plain buttery muffin. It's really good, but it doesn't compete with that strong pumpkin spice latte. I hope you enjoy it. I think they go really well together. This Wild Gift coffee is so good. It's a locally owned company based in Austin, Texas. The owners are super people. This is Rude Boy and Espresso blend. If you're serious about coffee, use the best you can buy. This was my grandmother's coffee grinder. I just thought it would be fun to use. The grind is very uniform compared to some electric grinders I've used. You can always use coffee that's already ground. I'm using a Moka pot to make my espresso for this drink. It's just a simple stovetop way of making espresso. The result isn't as concentrated as espresso machines, but I do enjoy this method. I love this part. It looks and smells so good. I'm going to heat everything on the stove, but you could use a microwave if you want. We're just heating it to drink it, we're not boiling it. I'm whisking it to make sure the pumpkin puree is mixed well with the other ingredients. Now for the vanilla muffins. They pair perfectly with the pumpkin spice latte, or for any kind of coffee or tea. They're perfectly buttery and sweet. The butter will harden back up when you pour the cold milk in, but that's okay, just whisk it up. The batter is very thick. Just mix it until you don't see any more flour, but don't overmix it. I divide all of the dough between 12 muffin cups. They should be almost full. Here I'm sprinkling some coarse sugar on top. I buy this where you buy sprinkles. It makes a great topping for any muffins. It's just big chunks of sugar, and it makes a really nice sugary crust on the top. Oh, look at these. It smells like butter in here. They're perfectly brown, and I'm going to enjoy one with my pumpkin spice latte. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.